Alright, we've finally come to the time we're going to install a 2.5-inch lift kit on a Jeep Rubicon. We're going to start in the rear. That's the reason we got it back in the shop today. Follow along and we'll show you how to put it on. Alright, once you get the tires off, first thing you got to do is take the sway bar link loose, then the shock, and finally the track mount. Once you get it up on jack stands, place your jack to support the axle as you're taking everything apart. That way the spring won't come out on you unexpected. Alright, one thing we're going to do before we let the jack down is take this one bolt loose. It'll free this brake line. That way it'll be loose when we let it down. When you go to put the new spring in, you'll see where the old spring's set on the isolator. Make sure you got it clocked the same when you put it back in. There's two of these little captive wire loom plugs right here that's taking up slack. I just took one of them loose. It should stay out of the way fine and give us the slack we need. And I bent this brake line right here forward, probably maybe a 1/2 inch, and gave us probably 1 inch or more slack in the brake line here. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, and we'll be ready to put the wheels and tires on.
Big one on the top nut.
That's everything installed, the tires back on it and on the ground. Now let's take it for a test drive, take it to the alignment shop. After that, we should be through. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, check out our website at theadventure.net for our blog and Amazon store.